Hey guys, this is Alex. I'm here in the TST Industries garage with a brand new 2026 KTM RC990. Today, we're going to show you how to install front turn signals in place of the big OEM stock ones that you see on here. In addition to this, we will be using the adapter kit and the plug-and-play harness converter. That process will be the same on all the options that we have. Installation is very simple. So with that said, let's begin. We're going to start by removing the screw here in the back of the signal. For that, I will be using a T25 T-handle. And you will be reusing this screw, so hang on to that. For the next step, we're going to pop this whole assembly off by pushing it towards the front of the bike, like so. And you're going to pull a little bit on it until you see the connector, and then go ahead and unplug the connector. To do that, there's just a little tiny tab at the very edge of it. You can just push down with your fingernail, and it comes out pretty easy. Now we're going to remove the signal. And to do that, you are going to twist 90 degrees, like so, and then it comes right out. And that is the uninstallation of the OEM signal. So now we're going to install our BL6 sequential signal. I'm going to remove the nut first. I will be using our accent washer kit. These are optional, they don't come with the kit, but I like to use these because they look nice. I'm going to go through the adapter here, and finally through the OEM piece, and the washer, and finally the nut. This washer is going to sit on the edges inside this OEM piece. It is an oversized washer for that reason. And we're just going to thread on the nut by hand for now. And when you get close, what you want to do is align your signal to be with the axis of the adapter. So you want it to be pretty parallel. And you also want to, I like to use the screw as a holder just to make sure that everything's aligned. And now you will take a 13mm wrench and we're going to tighten this nut. It's a little bit tight in there, so just be patient, go slow. So now we're ready to put this whole assembly back in. But before we do that, you will want to take the harness converter, and you will notice on this bike, there are two different colors. There's a brown connector for the left side, and the right side has a blue connector. When you took the OEM signal out, you probably noticed that had a brown connector, and then again, the right side one will be blue. So make sure you get those right. So what we're going to do is plug the harness converter in, and then we're going to connect that to our signal, black to black, yellow to yellow. For extra security, you may want to put a little bit of electrical tape over these connectors, but we're not going to do that right now in this video, but you're more than welcome to do so. Now, we're just going to shove the harness behind the fairing. If you want to do some better wire management, you would have to take the fairing off. We're not going to do that right now. We will most likely show that in our flush mount signal install. So we're just going to push everything behind the fairing There is plenty of space back there. It's just you can't really access it very well unless you take the fairing off. Now we're going to put the assembly back into the fairing in the reverse order. We're just going to slide it back till it pops. And you're going to take your OEM screw again and tighten that down. Now all we have to do is repeat the same process on the right side of the bike, and then the installation will be complete. Well, there you have it. We've now improved the look of the front signals on the KTM RC 990 using our BL6 sequential signals. Here's a comparison of the stock signals that we just replaced. They're much bulkier, bigger looking. I think everyone will agree that these are a better option. If you're interested in purchasing one of these kits or any of the other parts we have available, check us out at tstindustries.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.